Okay, cool. Yeah, of course we'd be happy to have a conversation.
Perfect. Okay, so would you be open to have us book you an appointment where we can discuss all the potentials of that?
Yes, of course.
Great. Okay,
Good, good. Ready to call today?
I'm ready to make some calls, yes.
Awesome, awesome. Let's get started then.
Yes.
So what I'm going to do is open also the chat while we are calling people. I'm gonna give you some feedback as well. So yeah, let's get started.
Hi, this is Salma here from Chrysalis. I'm on your website now and I have a quick question regarding your agency. Is that okay for you to speak now?
Yeah, sure.
Perfect. Okay, so we are currently working with similar agencies like you, and they usually have challenges of getting leads or closing deals.
Yeah, I just start getting
Oh, I just wanted to ask you about your client acquisition.
we do it in ourselves.
Got it. Okay, I completely understand. So what's the goal for next year?
Okay, that's very much.
So what is really important? Like how was the conversation? What did he say?
He said, "Oh, yeah, we handle everything ourselves." And then I went on and say, "Okay, like, okay, completely understand." And then I asked him what was the goal for the next few months.
He's currently handling everything himself, right? So it's
Mhm.
objection. So you
Yeah.
need to identify objection. You did it well. You said, "Oh, I completely understand," which is you are like, you did it well, but as the next, you could ask him a question exactly regarding to that objection. Yeah. If I tell you like I'm handling everything myself, you grab that word, handling everything yourself, and then asking exactly that. Oh, okay. And Anthony, like when you say like I'm handling everything myself, what do you mean by that? Also, I felt like in the beginning you were like rushing. Like everyone who is doing cold calling, they have this as well. Rushing. Don't rush. Just call it like you already know that person. Even though you have restricted time, you know that you will just grab their attention. A conversation needs to be like natural.
Right.
You get what I mean? If someone rushes, they feel like you try to sell something. You
True,
know
true.
what I mean? So
Yeah.
next time, let's do a quick role play, okay? I will do exactly the same, and you will try to ask me, "Hey, what do you mean when you say like, I'm
Um,
handling everything myself? Like, what do you mean by that?" And let's continue with that. Let's get started. Okay?
okay.
Hello? Hello?
Hi, Chris. This is Salma here from Chrysalis. I was just on your website a few minutes ago, and I wanted to ask you a few questions in regards to your agency. So I was wondering if you had a few minutes to speak.
Oh, the energy is good. Like a little bit high energy is good, but not rushing. Like, "Hey, Anthony, I'm on your website right now. Like, is that okay for you if I'm asking you a quick question regarding to your services?" You see, I'm not rushing. I'm telling it fast, but I'm not rushing. You get what I
Yes.
mean?
And
I'm relaxed. I'm relaxed, but I'm just talking fast.
yes,
You get what I mean?
I do.
So, okay. Hello.
Hi, Chris. This is Salma here from Chrysalis. I was just on your website right now, and I wanted to ask you a few questions in regards to your agency, if that was okay.
Just a question. Say just a question.
Okay.
Just a question regarding. Yeah, yeah, go ahead.
Right. Okay. So we are currently working with similar agencies like you, and they usually have challenges of getting leads or closing deals. So I was curious about how happy you are with your client acquisition.
Oh, we are good now. We are handling everything ourselves.
Oh, okay. I see. Okay. Why is that? Is it because you're fully booked?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, I see. So if someone's interested, then you have to turn people away, correct?
So you are doing it right. You follow the script, but in general, take time a little bit also to give some context. Like if I tell you like we are fully booked, don't just jump on the next question. You can say, "Hey, like,
Like
hey,
what?
I totally understand. Wow, this is a good problem, right? Being fully booked." Okay, like Andrew, I'm really curious. Like when you say I'm fully booked, it means like you don't take any other clients. You see what I did?
You're trying to.
Yeah. So give some context, talk a little bit at this stage, because if they tell you no, 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 then you need to warm up the conversation. You get what I mean?
Okay.
All right. And be a little bit louder. I
Okay.
mean, your tone is too low. It feels you're not probably confident as well. Just
Okay.
be a little bit louder, I would say.
Okay.
All right. Let's do one more call. One more call.
Hello.
Hi, Ivy. This is Salma here from Chrysalis. I'm Oh, no worries. I'm from Chrysalis, and I was just on your website, and I have a quick question regarding your agency. So I was just wondering if it was okay to speak with you now.
No, not really. But if you're on my website, you'll have my email address. Would you mind dropping me a quick note? Thanks.
Sure. I just wanted to have a quick second to ask you a quick question, though, if that was okay.
Got 2 seconds.
Right. Okay. So we are currently working with similar agencies like you, and they usually have challenges of getting leads or closing deals. So I was just curious about how happy you are with your client acquisition.
All of that information. Can't take anything more, so I really appreciate it.
Oh, okay. Okay. So that's I mean, that's a good thing, right? But I see that you're he hung up. I told you.
All right. It's fine. It's fine. It was a good, already better. I felt like your tonality was way better, more friendly, and person he gave you the permission, right? So yeah, you can say, hey, like we are an agency, yeah. So we are an agency. We have a lot of contacts. On top of that, we are also helping to build the system that generates you every month like 50 to 80 appointments consistently.
Yeah.
Yeah. And help you to close those deals and scale your company. Is that something that is interesting? And then you move the direction to that conversation. You get what I mean?
Yes.
Yeah, let's try that.
Okay.
Yeah, if they ask you like we work with someone, you just double down like, hey, yeah, really good. Like always give some context, okay? Oh yeah,
Yeah.
total understand. That's great. Like I just curious, like really one question before I go. Like, how happy are you from 1 to 10 with your current provider?
And if they say, "Oh, we're like 100% satisfied," what do we say then?
Okay, cool, cool. How many appointments do you book right now in a month, approximately?
Okay. Oh, okay. Like I would say like 50 appointments.
50 appointments? Oh, okay, cool, cool, cool. So, how many of them you can close?
Oh, okay.
I
Okay.
feel like you need to see each stage. There are lots of problems. First,
Oh,
lead generation, then closing, then scaling. If they say lead generation is perfect, you say, how is your closing? If closing is great, how is your scaling? If they
okay.
say everything is perfect, I still ask one question. I say, if there is one thing you would improve in your entire sales system, what would that be? There is no company in the world that will say, I wouldn't improve anything. Then it's wrong. It's wrong client for us. I can tell you definitely. Because there is no company that thinks that they are like 100% perfect now. If they
Yeah.
tell you, like, don't believe in that, just challenge them.
Hi, this is Selma speaking from Chrysalis.
From where, sorry?
Chrysalis. I was just on your website and I saw that you guys have a performance agency, and I was wondering to see if you would be able to take on a couple of clients this month.
Um, yes, potentially.
I'm sorry, what type of what?
What type of business are you?
Oh, we're a consulting agency.
Okay, cool. Yeah, of course we'd be happy to have a conversation.
Perfect. Okay, so would you be open to have us book you an appointment where we can discuss all the potentials of that?
Yes, of course.
Great. Okay, I am just gonna ask here for your email address. Hold on a second. Okay, so we have an availability tomorrow. We have anywhere from 9 to 5 p.m. and we have the day after and the day after. So, which is most appropriate for you?
What about tomorrow afternoon at about 3 o'clock?
Perfect. Okay, we have an availability for that. Okay, so I will just take in your first and last name. Okay, so could you please provide me with your email?
So you started well, but once they say yes, why not? Don't just jump on the booking the calling immediately, right? Like just get some background. Hey, like, yeah, awesome. Like, can you please tell me just in general, like how happy are you with your client acquisition system? Oh, okay, okay, okay. Like just ask a couple questions, and then you can jump on and when you ask, for example, when you say first question, right? Like ideal client profile and stuff. So you say, hey, I just saw you like you're an agency, like, but still, can you please just give me a little bit more background about your company? So you say first what you saw, like it's that they are all agencies, right? And then you ask for the background and then you continue the conversation, okay?